Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2003 Suzuki VL1500. Big bore, twin cylinder, liquid cooled shaft drive. This bike also has a beautiful two-tone metallic green and silver paint scheme. Lots of chrome. Floorboards, saddlebags. Wait till you hear this exhaust system. It's awesome. Make your big bore cruiser dreams come true for just $37.99. Come by, check it out. Big bore Suzuki VL1500. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Hope you don't have to go to work at 5 in the morning. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.